Welcome to our video on the best street food in India. India is a country known for its rich and diverse cuisine, and street food is an integral part of this culinary landscape. In this video, we'll take you on a mouth-watering journey through some of the most popular street food dishes in India, and give you a glimpse into the vibrant culture and traditions that have shaped this unique food scene. India is a country of many contrasts, from the majestic mountains of the Himalayas to the vast plains of the Deccan Plateau. But one thing that binds the country together is its love for food. India has a rich culinary tradition that spans centuries, and street food is an essential part of this heritage. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through some of the best street food destinations in India, and explore the diverse range of flavors and ingredients that make this cuisine so unique. Our first stop is Delhi, the capital city of India, which is famous for its chaat. Chaat is a spicy, tangy snack that is made with a combination of crispy fried dough, boiled potatoes, chickpeas, and a variety of chutneys and spices. One of the most popular types of chaat is called Golgappa or Pani Puri, which is a small, round, hollow pastry that is filled with a spicy mixture of potato, chickpeas, and tamarind chutney, and then dipped in a tangy mint water before being popped into the mouth. Moving on to Mumbai, which is known for its vada pav, a delicious street food snack that consists of a deep-fried potato patty, known as vada, sandwiched between two slices of bread, called pav, and served with a variety of chutneys and spices. Vada pav is a popular street food item that is widely available across the city and is enjoyed by locals and tourists alike. Next, we head south to the city of Bangalore, which is famous for its dosas. Dosa is a popular South Indian breakfast dish that is made with a fermented batter of rice and lentils and is served with a variety of chutneys and sambar, a spicy lentil soup. The most popular type of dosa is the masala dosa, which is filled with a spicy potato filling and is crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Our next destination is Kolkata, the cultural capital of India, which is known for its kathi rolls. Kathi rolls are a popular street food item that is made with a paratha or flatbread, rolled up with a filling of spiced meat, vegetables, and eggs. These rolls are a favorite among locals and are often eaten as a quick snack or a light meal. Finally, we end our journey in the city of Jaipur, which is famous for its lassi. Lassi is a refreshing yogurt drink that is popular across India, but the lassi in Jaipur is particularly famous for its unique flavor and texture. Made with a blend of yogurt, milk, and sugar, Jaipur lassi is thick and creamy and is often served with a dollop of cream on top. And that brings us to the end of our journey through the best street food in India. From the spicy chaat in Delhi to the crispy dosas in Bangalore, and from the mouth-watering vada pav in Mumbai to the refreshing lassi in Jaipur, street food in India offers a wide variety of flavors and tastes that cater to every palate. In addition to the delicious food, street food in India also offers a unique cultural experience. The bustling streets, the sounds of vendors shouting out their wares, and the aroma of spices in the air all add to the vibrant atmosphere that surrounds street food in India. But street food in India is not just about the taste and the atmosphere. It is also about the people who make it. The street food vendors in India are a testament to the resilience and entrepreneurship of the Indian people. Many of these vendors have been in business for generations and have perfected their craft over time. They have a deep understanding of their customers' tastes and preferences, and they take pride in offering the best possible experience to their customers. However, street food in India is not without its challenges. The hygiene standards in many street food stalls are often below par, and this can lead to health risks for customers. It is important to exercise caution when choosing where to eat and to ensure that the food is cooked and served in a clean and hygienic manner. In conclusion, street food in India is a must-try experience for anyone who loves food and adventure. It offers a unique glimpse into the diverse and vibrant culture of India, and it is a testament to the entrepreneurial spirit of the Indian people. So the next time you find yourself in India, make sure to hit the streets and explore the incredible world of street food. You won't be disappointed. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the best street food in India. We hope you enjoyed the experience and that it has inspired you to explore the rich and diverse cuisine of this incredible country. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.